Tech Field Day favorites Alkira and iTential have announced a partnership to help automate multi cloud networking. Alkira has been long focused on providing networking solutions for multi cloud organizations by reducing complexity of implementation. iTential has also been a longstanding proponent of low code networking automation to reduce complexity in deployment. Sounds like a perfect match, doesn't it? The joint integration is aimed specifically at onboarding, security, and inter region connectivity. And I got to say, I was very excited to see these two, as you said, Tech Field Day favorites coming together.
I was too. And this is one of those things that you may not have thought about it at first, but as soon as you see the press release that came out from our friends, you're like, yeah, that makes all the sense in the world. It's like when two of your friends have been like, they would be great together and they finally decide to start dating and you're like, yes, yes, please. This is the thing. iTential has always done a really great job of creating that low code automation under the hood, but they needed a way to kind of vault themselves into the cloud, because when you get into that realm, you're not playing against your competitors. You're competing against the systems that Amazon and Microsoft and Google want you to use. And they're clunky, but they're designed to be used with that platform. So what you need to do is you need to find a friend. And in this case, Alkira is that friend, because Alkira has been really, really focused on the multi-cloud networking aspect of trying to tie all these various clouds together. What they've needed is help automating that stuff on the back end. Do you see the chocolate? Do you see the peanut butter? Hopefully you see the Reese's peanut butter cup that's being created here. And it is going to be a delicious thing. It's a partnership. They are not acquiring each other. And I think that that's actually for the best, because it gives Alkira the flexibility to continue to try to integrate some of the pieces from the various clouds in there as an alternative. You never want to hear the L word, lock in. But, this allows you to say, if you don't like the way that we're doing it here, you can absolutely work on their stuff with our friends over at iTential. Likewise, iTential still has the capability to kind of be a provider to a bunch of different platforms. They had previous integrations with other cloud networking platforms, not as deep as the one that they have with Alkira. And when I say that, I'm not even kidding. Like, you always wonder, well, if I have a problem with this integration and I call my friends at iTential, are they just going to tell me to go call the Alkira people and vice versa? No, they're actually going to work together to fix any problems that you might have. To me, that speaks to kind of a deeper level of understanding between the two companies, because it allows them to do kind of this cross sales, valuation thing. So I expect that this is going to cause a lot of additional value, expertise to be unlocked in these kinds of deployments. And I think it's actually going to be something great for both companies. I can't wait to hear about how it's going and how people are adopting it. And I'm sure that they'll be coming back to a field day event very soon to tell us all about it.